Hi! You're probably here because one of two things. One, you're either a smaller creator and you're curious to know how much smaller creators actually make on YouTube, or two, you're probably just nosy, just like me. Honestly, I've always wondered what it would be like to be a YouTuber, and also I've always wondered how much you can actually make as a smaller creator. So I'm gonna be sharing that with you because as of right now, I only have 4,000 subscribers, and I wanna be transparent about how much I actually make as a smaller content creator. In this video, I'm also going to be explaining different ways that you can actually generate income as a YouTuber so that you can make this a full-time career in your future. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's go ahead and get into it. If you're a new YouTuber or a smaller creator who wants to know about the best inexpensive gear and tools for your content creator journey other than just your phone, then I have a free YouTube starter kit available in the link in the description below. YouTube monetization. As of right now, YouTube has made it super accessible for smaller creators to get monetized. All you need is 3 public uploads in the last 90 days, 500 subscribers, 3,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months, or 3 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. Once you get monetized, there are different options for you to actually monetize YouTube itself. So there's YouTube AdSense, where ads can pop up on your long form videos or your shorts feeds. There's also supers, there's also memberships, and there's also shopping. As of right now, I personally only have the watch feeds ads on, the shorts feed ads on, and also supers enabled. And as a smaller creator who only has 4,000 subscribers at the time of this recording, this is how much I've made in the last 28 days. For me personally, in my experience, I became monetized within about a month of relaunching my channel. I have had my YouTube channel for about 13 years, but after my relaunch, one of my videos went viral, and that's what helped me kickstart my smaller creator journey and giving me the opportunity to become monetized and make that much money in the last 28 days. Now, it's not a lot, but I am looking forward to the future in my growth, and as I grow as a creator, then my income is also going to grow with YouTube. Affiliate marketing. There are tons of websites where you can actually become an affiliate marketer with, and what that means is that you're recommending a product that you believe in, and if somebody purchases that product through that link that is custom only to you, then you get a small commission of that sale. A few websites for affiliate marketing that I would recommend, especially starting, is going to be Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact, Commission Junction, and PartnerStack. Since relaunching my channel, I have personally been only using Amazon Associates, and this is how much I've made so far in the last 2 months. Affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is the easiest and most passive way that you can generate income as a content creator. When you think about it, you are already giving so many recommendations on different products. Let's say you're in the travel niche and somebody asks you, where did you get your travel bag? Where did you get your passport wallet? You're going to tell them where you got it from, and sometimes you'll send them a link to it. What would be even better is if you have an affiliate link. So when you send the link and they purchase it, you get a small commission of that sale, and all because you just recommended it. How you would link that to your YouTube channel or being an online creator is you can link it in your bio or your description, and when you recommend that product, just let them know to click on the link down below. When they click on it, and if they purchase it, you do get a small commission of that sale. Brand sponsorship. This is a form of advertising where you're sponsoring an individual, product, or event in exchange for exposure or promo of a brand. Tons of creators actively do this. I personally do not do this myself, but this is a way that you can make money as a full-time creator. What this looks like is, if you're a huge fan of a brand and you work out a deal with them, they'll pay you out for mentioning their product in your video and letting your viewers know that they're sponsoring your video. For example, let's say you're in the fitness niche and you are a huge Nike fan and you've been trying to get a deal with them. They finally reach out to you, you guys make a deal, and what would that look like is, let's say they have a new product going onto their shelves. They will probably make a deal with you where you mention that product or talk about their product in your video for a certain amount of money. All brand sponsorships look different for every single creator, but this is one of the ways that you can make money. Online courses. An opportunity that you have as an online creator is that you can create courses to help your viewers achieve the goal that they're yearning for. So if you have a certain lifestyle, skill set, or anything else that your viewers want, you can create a course around that. And this is actually pretty passive because all you have to do is create the course once, and then once you sell it, people can purchase it at any time, learn from the course that you created, and you don't have to take up any other time having to help them with that. Everything will be in that course. A few platforms that you can actually create a course on include Kajabi, Teachable, and Thinkific. Online coaching. If you're niched down well enough and you put yourself in a position as an expert in your field, people are going to want to learn from you because of your knowledge, your skill set, or your lifestyle. People find more value in having direct contact and communication with someone that they want to be like. So that's the huge difference between online courses and coaching. Where online courses, you're learning from a video, you're learning from lessons and homework that's given to you in a program. Whereas coaching, you get that personal and customized experience, and anything that you're curious about or anything that you want to learn about can be custom to you through online coaching. Blogs. You can run a blog online that is relevant to your niche. Just like YouTube, it's going to take a while to build up, but as long as you're consistent and you continuously put posts out there, just like your YouTube channel, your blog is going to grow as well. And blogging does take some time because there's tons of copywriting and researching that goes into it, but just like YouTube, if you're consistent with it, if you're patient, you'll see it grow, and then you can generate income this way as well. Email marketing. The most important thing that you should be doing in your own business is creating an email list and getting your subscribers and followers to convert to your email list. Building an email list is extremely important to the fact that you have them in a place where you can easily communicate and reach them. You're in a position where you have full control and full communication with your community. If something were to happen to YouTube or social media in general and it just were to banish for some reason off the face of the planet, you still have direct access to your community because you have them in an email list. Email marketing gives you an opportunity to build more trust between you and your audience. This also gives you an opportunity to dive deeper into the details of certain tips that you want to share with them, which makes this an even more valuable experience for them. Speaking of email list, if you are interested in being a part of my small little community where I give exclusive content creation and YouTube tips and how to build a business from social media and content, then go ahead and subscribe to my email list, which is going to be linked down in the description below. If you found this video valuable, then you're definitely going to want to check out the next one. Like and subscribe to my channel and click on the video on the screen, and I'll see you there. Bye.